Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linux Pro and this is lab 8.2.5 and we are going to view the MBR Partition Table. So you are thinking about adding another disk to your system to help you make your decision. You want to view the current setup. Complete this lab from the terminal. So in this lab, your task is to view the disk information for your system. Answer the question. So go ahead and start a lab and we wait for the lab to load. In the meantime, in case you find this video to be helpful, by the end of this video you might also want to consider joining my professional membership, where you have detailed one-on-one video guide on how to solve any of the CompTIA TestOut Lab examination by clicking on the join button on this video. So we're still waiting for the lab to load, and the lab has loaded, so go ahead and start terminal. Alright, so we're going to type in fdisk space -L and press enter, and we'll go ahead and answer the questions that follows. Which physical disk is the boot on? Okay, that will be first. And which disk partition is the boot on? That will be first also. Which physical disk is the swap area? That will be first. Which disk partition is the swap area on? Okay, for this is gonna be, let's see, it's gonna be fifth. Yep. And what is the beginning cylinder for the swap area? The beginning cylinder for the swap area is gonna be, let's see, it's gonna be this. And what is the allocated size for the swap? Okay, this is gonna be yep, this is it. And we'll go ahead and score lab. Should, in case you find this video to be helpful, also consider sharing this video on other educational platforms so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Consider joining my professional membership. I thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.